This video clip will demonstrate installing PCB-GCODE in the ULP directory of Eagle on Ubuntu. The site of PCB-GCODE is PCB-GCODE.org. Under the software directory, under downloads, and we'll select PCB-GCODE release 3.3.3, and we will save it to our download directory. Now we'll open up a terminal window, and we're in our download directory. Unzip this file. PCB-GCODE. Alright. Now then, I should be able to move this. user/share/eagle ULP. And I've already done this before, so I'm going to have to override all these. All right, now we'll go into, maybe we won't. Now we'll go into Applications, Electronics, Eagle. And we'll get rid of that window. And open up a project, our board, and we'll run PCB-GCODE setup, and we'll select generic and yes. And then there are a number of settings that we need to change. Those are on the paper list. I won't go through those right now, but we'll accept these. Now we should be good to go. If we now run PCB-GCODE, this will generate out the G-code file when it finishes. So the G-code files will be in the same directory as the project, and that will be, and they'll be labeled the name of this. In this case, it's untitled. So we'll minimize this, and my project folder is under my home directory, Eagle CNC demo. If we list this, we'll see number of files, untitled board NC. These are the top NC would be the one we're interested in, nano untitled top.nc. If we open this up, we'll find the G-code, and we want to delete the lines that have comments and spaces, and then save this. Control O, return, and then copy this file to the directory that has the stream.rb on the OLPC, and should be good to go.